Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If y'all want to see more videos like this, tips and tricks or sales, hit the like and subscribe button. And if you don't want to miss out on future videos, hit the bell. I am wearing John Renau's Amber. That's what this one is. I thought it would be fun to do a review over two different brands with the same color code. I noticed that Belletress has their English Toffee, and it is in 6F27. There is John Renau's Caramel Ribbon in 6F27. And I will take y'all outside in natural lighting so you can see the two out there. So this is Belletress in English Toffee. John Renau's 6F27 Caramel Ribbon. I hope this helps my brunette sisters. Okay, let's go out and look at them in natural lighting. Okay guys, there is no sunlight. This is all overcast, which I like better. This is the John Renau 6F27. See that highlight at the front? Very, very dynamic. Belletress 6F27 English Toffee, so it's more subtle. Okay guys, I hope that helped. Like and subscribe.